Okay. So we're fixing to do the cinnamon challenge. And I've never done this before, so I'm probably gonna throw up, but okay.
She's gonna throw up.
Yeah.
But what you're supposed to do is swallow it before you spit it out.
Okay, here's your cup.
Supposedly not. It's impossible to swallow.
Possible. It's gonna go all over the screen.
Yeah, it's gonna be all over the screen.
Okay, I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can. On 3.
What are you doing?
Just put a stick in your mouth and try to swallow it. Are you gonna?
I'm gonna try. You're about to spill it. Oh shit! I spilled mine.
Frick.
Oh.
You gotta get a little bit more.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
Right, on 3. On 3.
Oh. I don't know if I'm gonna do this right here.
We have to be even here.
We're even, honey.
Are you sure?
We're even, ho.
Ho.
Yes, you're ho.
Okay, on 3. You better do it too.
The smell doesn't make me want to gag.
Alright, well, you're doing it. Okay. On 3,
1,
just put it in your mouth. Ready? 1,
2,
2, 3.
3. Oh my god.
In my mouth. You're broken. Here comes somebody. Here comes somebody. Somebody's coming down the